Sir, pinatawag niyo daw po ako.
Yes. Based sa report, maraming mataas ang turnover ng employees natin ngayon. Then maraming ngayong mga vacanting positions. Bali, utusan sana itong pag-post ng job hiring para sa mga positions na yan.
Apat lang sa'yo na position.
Yes. Pakilagay yung tamang qualifications and descriptions para malaman nila yung duties and responsibilities. Paki-update na lang din ako kung na-post mo.
Sige sir.
Thank you.
Yung general manager natin is maganda pa yung performance.
Ganun?
Now, let's start our interview. My first question for you is, tell me about yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Shane Lopez. I'm from Malabon City. I graduated at STA College Caloocan, and one of my soft skills is I am a teamwork. I am a good teamwork player. Thank you, sir.
The second question for you is, why do you choose this company?
Sir, I choose this company because I think that this company will help me improve my skills and develop them.
First, tell me about yourself.
I'm John Mark Paconla. I live in Caloocan City. I'm graduate STA College, and I have a 5 years experience in operating management as a manager.
Why do you want to work with our company?
I want to work with your company because I see myself that I will improve, and I also see the environment of the company is good. That's why I want to work in this company.
Mr. Pagula, you have greatly answered all the questions I gave you. Maybe we can call you and let's finish our meeting today. First, let's start your examination. Please fill up the questions. Now time's up. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Pacuna. Mr. King. Good morning, sir. Ako po HR assistant po sa Asgard company po. We'd like to know po, ano po yung ginawa po kayong referral ni Mr. Pacunila, and yes po. We would like to know lang po kung maayos po ba yung pagkakatrabaho niya po and the time or Opo. Okay po. Sige po ma'am. Have a good day po. Thank you.
Now, Mr. Pagula, you are the one candidate that has been selected in this final interview. I have one last question for you, Mr. Pagula. What is your greatest weaknesses?
My weaknesses is communicate to other manager because this is difficult to handle, but I still improve my communication, and I still see I need to improve. That's why I go to other seminar related to the communication so that I able to handle my business.
Thank you, Mr. Bakula, for your wonderful answers. We will update you. We will update you if you are hired. Good morning, Shane. You are the one that has been selected to our final interview for today. Now I have one question for you. What is your greatest weaknesses?
One of my weaknesses is time management, but I've been working on that by hinahati ko yung work into a manageable pieces to finish it perfectly. Thank you, sir.
Boss, I think Mr. Pakuna has a great question. You can see our network that
Based on my observation, and I think Mr. Pakula is good. I think we need to continue.
but this is also being eager with us to learn our company.
Mr. Shane Lopez is super excited. Right now, I think Mr. Pakula is the last one to take. What do you think?
That's also a reason.
I think we need to hire. Let's call Mr. Pakula and update him that we will hire. Thank you. Hello, Mr. Pakula. I have a good news for you. You are the one selected to work in our company. Today, let's negotiate your contract for our company.
For the offer, but this guy expected salary will come to here. I would like to decline your offer.
Thank you for your answers, Mr. Pakula. But I think we can negotiate your salary. What are your expected salary in our company?
Salary, I expected not my bills and food.
But as of now, Mr. Pakula, we can offer to you a 50,000 pesos salary for our company. It is not okay.
I'm sorry that I have to
Okay, Mr. Pakula. I think that you want salary is not ideal, and we cannot go beyond that. Thank you, Mr. Pakula. Mr. Shane Lopez, I have a good news for you. You are the one who selected to work in our company, and this is your contract.
Thank you, sir, for this. I happily accepted this contract. Where can I start?